This is an announcement, everyone. You know those backrooms games? Well, then I'm gonna make one in the future. It's gonna be anti-clockwise. Please ignore my mom talking with some might that I don't know.
Bakit wala kagad bumbero sa
She's just
inyo?
like that. Okay. So, the name of the future game is anti-clockwise. It is a backrooms game which has 200 levels. Yeah. I wanted to. And also,
Tatawa naman
you
ako
can
sa
play it
bumbero,
on
please.
mobile. Yeah. There is,
Siyempre, malapit na
you
sa
can
inyo
also
eh.
play with friends and voice chat. You can voice chat anyone. But if you want to be alone, just
Oo talaga,
Just be
mababasag
alone.
yun. Palalo pagkaharap ng bahay, basag
oh
talaga yun.
my god.
Oo.
Kung puro kahoy yun. Yung sa likod ng puro kahoy, ganyan. Pero puro
And
kahoy.
also, there
Tsaka
there
baka
is
may
no
ano,
ads or
Wall,
lag.
ano, firewall.
If you play 20
Pag may
times,
firewall, hindi talaga
then
makukuha yun.
you'll get a pop-up that says, "Thank you for
Kaya
playing my
dapat yung mga
game
bahay,
20
yung mga
times."
likod-likod,
So can you please keep the backrooms fandom?
Wala na rin, pag masyado nang malaki yung apoy, hindi rin
Please.
kakayanin.
Ito kasi hindi napansin, syempre, eskwelahan yan.
The
Ay,
first
school,
will
nagsimula ba sa school?
make
Nagsunog?
broccoli or that guy who make
Sa
who make a lot of
barangay.
back
Baka
rooms.
mamay hindi
Videos
sila
like
napatay.
wait lang,
Oh.
show you.
Tama naman yung naka-duty na yun. Baka tutulog-tulog. Monday ah. Tutulog-tulog.
See bro,
Monday ka,
Bro,
di ba? Gabi na pala yung nangyari.
Mga ano, alas 12, alas 11:30.
Na umaga?
Buti nga, ganun pa. Eh kung mga alas 2, alas 3 na yun,
Ng hapon.
tao.
Hapon pa gabi?
Gabi.
Aha. Pag sobrang
Yeah, like,
pagkamali yun,
bro.
wala na. Baka madali ba?
Yeah.
Sobrang init.
I'm gonna make,
Lalakad na yung kapot.
Mahirap. Eh, after ulan.
oh my god,
Ah,
A cop pulled me over
What
and
is-
said papers.
Kaya nga. Hindi, puro bato na
just look at the name of the video.
Like whether or
I'll
not
make
entities.
I will make him or vocally state the game. Yeah.
Ano dali yung bahay nila?
This can,
Sila
I
Jojo,
will also
galing yung bahay.
release it on
Yung mga
VR.
electric yun, kasi yung wiring isa lang kasi yung mga
Not this sounds crazy, but this is true. True.
Akala ko nga eh. Akala ko hilera.
If you're
Akala ko nga
asking,
nasunog yung sa
it's
pinsan
free.
nyo nga.
Well, yeah. It is free.
Oo. Yung pinakadulo, tabi ng barangay.
Just
Akala ko
ignore
yung
the
sinunuhan.
video.
Yung sila Rowena ba? Yung ba? Akala ko nga ba?
Okay, so keep the background random up. So keep the background random up and
Wala kang
okay.
pasok?
Bye.
Wala, hindi ako.